I was thinking about an intro and then I forgot. Here we are. And we're working on this Challenger. So if you didn't know, we shoot videos every Friday. This customer found us off of TikTok and wanted to schedule in on Friday to be in the video. How cool is that? You could be the next video. So this fender is a really sharp dent. Really sharp dent on the body line. Don't want to crack the paint. We're gonna put it up to a good temp so that the clear coat is malleable. 160 to 180. See, now my hand can get in there. Complete control. The hit is so hard on the body line, I had to shallow it out, make it a little bit softer. When I push, the metal actually gives. It wasn't giving all the way because it was just too sharp. Dents like this, at the end, I'm gonna really go through with this metal tip to really try to get this pit out. On my knees, pole in my hand, camera ready for action. Directionally, you know what I mean? I have a hard time focusing sometimes, so I had to kick the camera guy away. Put some music on to be able to get this pit out. We got the focus, we got the skills, and we fixed the dents.